Hi everybody, this is Arash and we are planking here. Today I'm going to tell you why Python hash function generates different hashes in each run, and I'm going to introduce you a solution to solve this and get the same hash for the same um, object or same variable in each run. Alright, consider we have a file in our desktop. I create a file and call it main.py. It is a Python file, and what we do is I'm going to edit it. I'm going to, for example, open with Notepad and write a simple hash function inside this file. So I write, for example, text is equal to some random string like hello, and then I'm going to print the hash of this variable. So I print hash of text. Okay, let's close this and I'm going to run this file. So I open the CMD here and let's go to desktop, cd desktop. When I run this file in normal way, I type, for example, Python and main.py. It produces different hashes for every run. You can see that the number is changed every time. Why this happens? This happens because Python sets an environment variable and calls it Python hash seed, and this Python hash seed changes constantly every time. And this is its job is to secure our programs by setting random hash seeds for every run. How we can prevent it? We can simply, for example, in Windows, we can set Python hash seed to our desired number, and after this, whenever we run the Python file again, then we will have the repetitive hash, so our hash can do its desired job, which is to be the fingerprint of the same data. Alright, this was Arash. I hope you liked this video. See you next time.